Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can favorite filters on Snapchat and where you can find it later. So you are going to tap on the emoji button over here. Make sure you're on the middle tab, by the way. And then I'm just going to search, so press explore. And for instance, I want to save this Love You 3000 filter, so let's just select that. And then after that, I'm just going to press the favorite button over here. And then to find that filter, I'm going to go back. And as you can see, the filter will be under favorites over here. And then I can just press on the filter to use it. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!